We're rolling on, baby.
Second time in a row, we've gotten kicked out.
Today, we're doing it cowboy style.
It doesn't get dark here until like midnight.
Oh, they're gonna like this.
We got ducked!
And we're taking you to the land of glaciers.
Gets us into all the national parks for free.
Where are you taking us?
This place is insane.
Is that even real?
Thanks for coming back for me.
I gauge it off of my uterus.
Then we're taking the Jeep off-roading, pregnant and all.
Oh, man.
Are you ready for some fun? Let's do it.
Hops, beer, alcohol.
Driving from Yellowstone to Glacier here, this can be a little sketchy.
Only guys.
Oh my gosh.
I'm driving this big tub. Oh, here we go. It's all right.
Jeremiah gets the joy of fitting our 44-foot coach into little spots at times.
Jeez, just like that show last night, Reese. Look at that train coming over there.
It can be a little stressful. Sometimes the roads can be a little tight.
Wow.
Oh, man. Go back to the sailboat.
Did that make your butthole clench?
Yeah. Little pugger. Those are 14 feet clearance. We're 1210. We had about a foot and 2 inches.
It's all a part of it. Let's get up to Glacier.
That was a beautiful little canyon.
Oh, it was really nice. It was an Indian reservation.
Yeah.
I don't know, what, Wind River Indian reservation?
Yeah, that's the same one we were driving in. We were getting like blown all over the place.
Yeah.
In the river.
Today it wasn't so windy.
When leaving Yellowstone, you have to backtrack a bit to go north, so that's what we're doing. We decided to stop in Cody, Wyoming along our way. And wouldn't you know it, there's a rodeo tonight.
Are you excited?
Who can pass on the chance to sit on a real bull?
Your very first bull. What'd you think?
Did you ride a bull? Wait till you see it tonight and see what it is.
Ask them.
Thank you all so much for coming out tonight.
This was our first rodeo. It was fun. One thing we loved was how patriotic this town is. It's next level. Cody is a cool spot.
Are you ready to rodeo? In the meantime, we're back on to enjoy. They are the Cowboys who represent the Indians Association tonight.
These guys are crazy, but they are sure fun to watch. Ride 'em, cowboy.
Rodeo was called.
Second time in a row, we've gotten kicked out due to weather.
Yeah, it's coming.
Getting used to it.
Yeah. That was fun though. Didn't see any bulls though.
There was a massive lightning storm coming out of Yellowstone, which ended our night early, unfortunately. After a few days, we got settled into Glacier. This is right near the Canadian border, and we were so excited to explore the park.
West Glacier, Montana. Pulled into a really nice KOA. We are about 10 minutes from West Glacier National, actually it's called Glacier National Park. And we get here, find out it's extremely difficult to get tickets to go into the national park without taking like a tour or a shuttle or something like that. They bought them all up. So we were trying to figure out another way. We decided to pull up to the gate because we've read some things online about getting in without a ticket after 4 p.m. or before 6 a.m. So we're just gonna pull up to the gate and ask some questions so we can kind of plan everything. What do you what do you think they'll say? I don't know.
These areas may restrict vehicle access during periods of high visitation and congestion.
We are not driving all the way to Glacier and not seeing the sights, so we'll need to figure out another way.
Hi, we don't have a reservation. We're not able to get one. Do you have any ideas how we could see the park without?
So if you turn right here,
Okay.
some nice ladies that'll be back there for about a half hour more.
Okay, perfect.
They can give you your options.
Thank you. If we come after 4, do you know if we
After 4, this process stops. We won't be here.
Well, there's your answer. So
Yeah,
we'll come after 4. It doesn't close. We could sleep here if you wanted. And it doesn't get dark here until like midnight.
Yeah.
For someone, it's like crazy.
Yeah, much better.
It's really nice. So that's what we'll do. We'll enjoy our days, and it'll just be a long days.
Let's go find somewhere. Let's go get some whiskey. Let's go find some waters.
Flavored waters.
While waiting for the time to pass, we took a few hours and checked out the town. We love these cute little western towns.
I think we found another cool spot complimentary of Google.
We decided to grab some lunch at the Gun Sight Saloon.
There's no hot dogs.
Your waitress for the day. You come in, you seat yourself, you grab your own menu, you go up to the bar, order your food, and then you pick it up. Completely self-serve. I got the 3-bean veggie burger on a gluten-free bun. You got Philly cheesesteak, and he got a good old burger.
Those are French fries.
It was good. Now let's head back to the park.
Oh, they're gonna like this. These two are all into ducking.
We got ducked!
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at he's like a cowboy duck.
That's cool.
Man, that's awesome.
Add
Did you
it to
see
your
the
collection
Jeep?
there. No.
Did they leave a note?
No.
Darn it. The duck thing is a Jeep thing, actually, and you get ducked. We actually have a bag of ducks in the back of our Jeep, but you leave them on other people's Jeeps. Sometimes people leave little gifts with them, little notes, whatever. We have a collection. I've gotten rid of a few. I don't want to talk about it because I upset a few people when I did that. But we got a little collection up here going. Some people have their entire dashboard. But then we also duck people as well, and we leave a little lazy gecko card.
Heading into Glacier here. This place has a lot to see. Today we're searching for a lake that was formed by an ancient glacier. It's pretty far out there.
We have a military pass that gets us into all the national parks for free because I'm retired military. So we waited after 4 and here we are.
Where are you taking us?
We're going out to a lake that used to be a glacier. I don't know the name of it, but it's off the road to get there.
You think our
Which is
bikes
fun.
are gonna make it?
The bikes will be fine, it's just the bike rack. I'm trying to be gentle with it. We made it.
How's the bike rack?
It's a little squeaky.
Oh man.
It's a good one, but it does a lot. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
We didn't realize that the road up would be so bumpy, or we would have left the bikes at the RV. Oh well.
We are at Bowman Lake. It was about a 6-mile off-roading, very bumpy trail, but a lot of fun in the Jeep to get here, and we're kind of walking out to what seems like a beautiful lake. So hopefully that drive was worth it.
Hey there, little birdie. The wildlife is abundant here. There's a nice little path you can take right up to the lake. Bowman Lake is fed entirely off of snowmelt, so it's cold. It gets down to 250 feet deep.
I love what you did. Is that your dam?
Yep.
Beautiful job. You got flowing water, huh?
Yeah.
And then how do you make it stop to shut the water off?
Well, water doesn't need to come off.
In a dam, it shuts it down.
That's
This one just flows freely.
yeah.
What'd you think of that lake?
I don't even have words. I don't think I've ever seen such a more beautiful backdrop.
It is nice.
Is that even real?
Isn't it amazing that that's man-made?
Yeah, it's so crazy. If I was all grown up and I came back here and be like, my dam's still here.
I know, you could bring your own kids and be like, oh my gosh, I built that dam
Yep.
20 some years ago. If it doesn't rain from now until then, there's a good chance it'll be there.
There is. Let's just hope more water doesn't go in.
Time to kick the tires and head back down the mountain.
Thanks for coming back for me.
You're welcome. I figured you can only last so long with your camelback.
Yeah, that's right.
But you have a fresh lake.
Yeah, that's right. I could have just lived there.
Was that lake made by a glacier?
Yeah, it's from the glacier.
Wow.
It melted like Frosty the Snowman.
Yeah.
I hope you're ready for some bumps. Honestly, I gauge it off of my uterus. If it's too bumpy for my uterus, then it's probably too bumpy for the bikes.
Oh, I hit my head.
Oh my gosh. It's trying to just roll through.
What are you doing up here?
The road is rougher than it looks, which made the trip so much fun. If weather was bad, this would be a difficult trip. Along our way back, we found this little bar/store. We decided to check it out.
What are you thinking?
IPA, or they have a cold smoke. I don't know what these are. But local, like a local draft.
Cool, you want to do 16 or 20 ounces?
What a sweet little spot to grab a snack and a local beer. While Jeremiah chats with the bartender about their travels, Reese and I browsed the store and got a snack.
What'd you get?
It's like an IPA. What was it called? I think it's called Sphincter or something. No.
How is it?
It's good, man. It's hoppy. It's good.
What does
I like
it smell like?
IPAs. Hops, beer, alcohol. He has that ambulance over there, and he's making that into his RV. He's going traveling. He's from San Diego, and he comes up here to work at the bar for a while. Pretty cool.
I wonder how he found this spot.
Yeah, I know. Well, maybe the same way we did. It's nice to have a beer after a little bit of four-wheeling. That was fun. Brittany was out there killing it. And Reese, I think it was his first time really experiencing four-wheeling, right?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Huckleberry. That must be their thing.
Huckleberry. I'm your Huckleberry.
That's from a movie.
Yeah, hell yeah. Tombstone.
Huckleberry bear
Doc Holliday.
It looks like a bear claw. Oh man, look at that. I guess those are huckleberries. I don't think I've really seen huckleberries before. Big and small, they look like blueberries.
Was it good?
It's so good.
Is it sweet?
Oh my gosh. Not really. Like, it's not like fruit sour or anything like that. You want to try some?
Yeah. Hey,
What?
they have solar. They're running off solar.
Really?
Yeah, you see it over there.
Oh yeah.
What do you think about that?
Cool.
What do you think whenever you see something running off solar? Like, what's it remind you of?
Probably the boat.
Yeah, the boat?
Because it's all solar.
Yeah.
It was a full day, that's for sure. Once we got back to the RV park, we dropped the bikes and took a little ride together. Well, until we saw a bear. Time to go home. Coming up,
That's a grizzly
You
bear.
want to film it?
things are getting wild.
Like, it's straight down like 1,000 feet.
We'll get hit by another storm.
What do you think of that, Reese?
That's crazy.
Can I go out there and get rained on?
That would seriously hurt, dude. Half-inch size hail.
It's freezing.
And we're taking you on the road to the sun.
It was a grizzly bear.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.